guys, I'm about to go to bed. Before I go to bed, I want you to check out my eyebrows. This is the result after tinting at home. If you like this result, stick around, I'll show you how to do it. I do have to apologize straight away because my camera works a little bit, I don't know if you can say shitty, poo-poos, really not good. So at one stage I'm down here and trying to explain up here. Apologies for that, really not good. Really not good. Next time it will be better. But before I go to bed, I want to introduce this Neutrogena. It's basically a facial mask that you can do every night. So I bought 3. This is the illuminating one. Sorry. Weep. Hopefully that will zoom in. And then we have the Ageless Boost. And I got, what's this? The Pure Boost. So I'm going to try all 3 of them and tell you how it is. Review them through the next 3 days and every day give you an update. The plan is to use a boost every night and tell you if there's even a difference between the 3 of them. I do like the Neutrogena range, so let's cross fingers and hope it works well. Once again, apologies for the video, but if you really are confused or need me to explain a little bit more, please drop me a line and below and I'll explain it again. Sorry about the bad camera work. Have a good evening and I'll chat with you guys soon. So what you would need is some cotton buds, peroxide, any volume. I think I'm using 20 volume, a little place for mixing your product. These are 2 different products that I prefer to use. You can get the brown light, dark brown, and the black, and then something to apply it with. So we're going to start doing the eyebrow tint. Now what I would like to do also is just tint my eyelashes, but not to the roots, because obviously when I'm doing it myself I need to you can't close both eyes, and you do need to do both the same timing. But obviously with the eyebrows it's a different situation. It's perfect. I like to tint my eyebrows first before I'm not going to wax them. That is an option. I am actually going to pluck them, but it's so good when all your eyebrows are the same shade, because I have some grey ones and lighter ones in between, that I can see which ones to pluck and which ones not. I have put on a moisturizer this morning, so I'm just going to make sure that I am free from the moisturizer. This is so easy to do at home. You guys can really, and if you do find the products, I found it was quite difficult actually in Switzerland to get the products, but in South Africa it's fairly easy. This one they can only use at clinics or salons apparently, but in South Africa you can buy it everywhere. This one you can get here, so I don't think it's that strong. Just to show you what I've been doing now, I've put a little bit of product and the peroxide in a bowl, in a little bowl like this, and I'm just now mixing it through. Now the way that you would know that it's well mixed is the color actually changes, becomes a lighter black, or if you have brown, a lighter brown. You just need to make sure that because it's the peroxide that activates the product to start working. That's a big one. That's good. Okay, up close and personal. I do have a mirror here, in case you're wondering if I'm looking into the thing. And then you just start applying. Now you will have a bit of a shock when you put it on, because you would think my eyebrow is going to be this black. Don't worry about it. It's most of the product you're going to wash off. The one advice I can give you is apply as much on the one side as what you do on the other side. So try to, I have I don't know if you guys can see right there, I have a pimple, not a pimple, beauty spot. So there's never hair growing on that side, and I absolutely hate it. No matter what I'm doing, there's always a place that I need to fill in with my pencil. Okay, and then when I'm done like this, I like to take so I've applied quite a lot, so I like to take a clean cotton bud, just a normal clean one, go through, rub it the other way around, like get those hair in between, and just make sure you get it everywhere. Take off the excess. And apply it now for the second time. Okay guys, it's been about a minute, and all I'm doing now is take my cleanser and clean away the product. Now remember, you've worked some in on the other, like with your hair going the other way around, like against the growth. So you do need to clean against the growth again, otherwise there will be some products left. And you can immediately see it's darker. Now if you're not happy with how dark it came out, apply it again. You will have some product left. Sometimes, like here, my growth isn't that thick, so it will look lighter than on this side, but I know I've put enough product there. Play around with it. I mean, that's the beauty of doing it at home. You can apply more, take away, etc, etc. This is the close-up, and then I'm going to do my plugging a little bit. Have a little bit of plugging here to do. I don't over plug. I do actually like a bushy or more natural looking eyebrow. To do your eyelashes, all that you need extra is a clean eyebrows brush like this. Keep one in your kit for this specific reason. Don't use it in your other to brush your eyebrows normally. The reason why I'm saying it sometimes gets a little bit of peroxide in between, and it's not good to bring that to your eye. I've gone ahead and I've mixed a little bit more product. It's exactly the same, And now, as you can see, my eyebrows, I'm quite happy with. It's not too dark, not too light. I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply with a cotton bud in the beginning, just to the ends. Remember, you're working with peroxide, so you don't want it in your eye. Very carefully. Can you see? You just want the product to get onto your eyelashes. Now remember, I've just applied at the bottom. When I close my eye, I can apply some to the top. And once there's product on, this is where my clean brush comes in, because I can brush it through and make sure that it's gone everywhere, and then apply again if I need to. You can close your eye like this and brush a little bit more rugged, and just continue doing that. Immediately with the second application, I can see it's getting darker. I just want you to see the comparison without any makeup straight after I have